Yes, children. Come to the next exercise, that is exercise 10.4, question number 1 of chapter Circle, class 9th NCERT. First question, two circle of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. So we have taken two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm, and the distance between their centers is 4 cm, and the length of common chord which is intersecting at point M, find the length of common chord. So we have drawn this picture, even though this picture is wrong, but it will work very easily for this question as well as for the following question or question based on this question. So this is common chord AB, which is intersecting at point O, at point M, to the line segment OP, that is the distance between two centers. I am again saying this, that this picture is wrong for this question, but it will work very conveniently for this question, and the question which will be based on this question, it will work over there also. So given two circles with center O and P, common chord AB intersect OP at M, OA equal to 5 cm, PA equal to 3 cm, OP equal to 4 cm. So this is all about given this question, about this question. To find हमने करना है length of AB. Solution. So we have read about this property in the basics, that line joining the centers of two intersecting circle is perpendicular bisector of common chord. It means AM equal to BM and angle AMB, AMO will be of 90 degree. So we will use that property, since line joining the centers of two intersecting circles, is perpendicular bisector of common chord. Therefore, AM equal to MB, it implies AB equal to 2AM, and angle AMO equal to 90 degrees. So these two results we will take from here. So now we will find out the area of triangle AOP using Heron formula. Now in triangle OAP. First side, that is equal to A equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 3 centimeter, C equal to, you can take C 5 centimeter, or A and B you can take 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So find out S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, 4 plus 3 plus 5 upon 2, 12 upon 2, that is 6. So area of triangle OAP is equal to under the root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. 6 into 6 minus 4, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5. So here it will come 6 into 2 into 3 into 1. So 6 centimeter square, you will get the area. Now the same area can be written as also area of triangle OAP is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So already I know the area of this triangle, that is 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Base I am taking 4 and height will be according to base will be AM. Height will be AM. That is why we have proved here this angle is of 90 degrees, so that I can say that the according to base OP it is the height. So 2 to the 4 and 2 will come to this side, 6 upon 2 equal to AM. So AM will be 3 centimeter. And because AB is 2 AM, because AB equal to 2 AM, it means 2 multiply 3, 6 centimeter. So the length of AB will be 6 centimeter. So I hope that this question is clear to you. Next is question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, two equal chords. So what is given to me? Two equal chords. And they are intersecting to each other within the circle. So both the chords are equal. So one chord is this one, second chord is this one. Both the chords AB and CD intersect each other within the circle. This is point E. And this is the center of circle O. Then prove that segments of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other. Now the meaning of segment here is the line segment. This line segment is equal to this line segment. This line segment equal to this line segment. And for this, to prove this, we will join EO and we will draw the perpendicular from O. This is M. This is perpendicular N. So you will write the given part After that, to prove AE equal to EB equal to ED. First, second thing, CE equal to AE. ये मुझे प्रूव करना है. So proof, because AB equal to CD, therefore half AB equal to half CD. That is AM equal to MB equal to CN equal to ND. Second thing, perpendicular from the center bisect the chord, therefore M is the midpoint of AB. Similarly, N is the. So first we will write, since perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, but before this we will write the construction part that we have forgot to write. Construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB, ON perpendicular to CD, join OE. Now we will write the proof part. Since perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, therefore M and N are midpoints of AB and CD. Because AB equal to CD, therefore half AB will be equal to half CD. And it implies half AB, we can take AM as well as MB. So AM equal to CN. So it implies AM equal to MB equal to CN इक्वल टू DN. ये सारे इक्वल हो जाएंगे. रीज़न कि पहले तो कोड्स इक्वल हैं, दोनों मान लो 10-10 सेंटीमीटर की है, दोनों इक्वल. और M और N मिड पॉइंट है तो इसका मतलब 5 इधर 5 इधर 5 इधर 5 उधर, तो सारे ही 5-5 सेंटीमीटर के हो गए. दैट इज वाई वी हैव रिटन दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर इक्वल. सो यू कैन यूज दिस रिजल्ट एज A. वी विल यूज इट लेटर ऑन. After that, we will make these two triangle congruent. दोनों में 90-90 है, दोनों में EO इक्वल टू EA कॉमन है और OM इक्वल टू ON है. क्यों? सोच करके बताओ क्यों इक्वल है OM इक्वल टू ON. आपके पास टाइम है 1-2 मिनट का, सोचिए. इन ट्रायंगल OME and triangle ONE, angle M equal to angle N, each 90 degree. EO equal to EO कॉमन. और अब तक आपने सोच लिया होगा OM इक्वल टू ON क्यों है? क्योंकि हमने बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी में किया था. इक्वल कोड्स आर इक्वी डिस्टेंट फ्रॉम द सेंटर. इक्वल कोड्स आर इक्वी डिस्टेंट फ्रॉम द सेंटर. So that is why these two triangles are congruent. Triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE by RHS rule, right angle, hypotenuse and one side by RHS. So we can say ME equal to NE or EM equal to EN by CPCT. Now these all things are equal, that we have already written. It implies EM plus MB equal to EN plus ND from A. MB और ND दोनों इक्वल है, MB इक्वल टू ND. So EM plus MB will become EB equal to ED. So first part we have proved first part, and to prove the second part, subtract these equal part from AB and CD, because already it implies AB minus EB is equal to CD minus ED, because AB equal to CD. So AB minus EB will become AE equal to CD minus ED will become CE. So this we have proved. Second part. So this is all about the question number 2. Now question number 3, again same type of question is there and very easy as compared to question number 2. If two equal chords, again equal chords are given, of a circle intersect within the circle, prove the line joining the point of intersection. Line joining the point of intersection to the center. To the center. ये वाली line makes equal angle with the chord. Makes equal angle with the chord. ये एंगल इसके इक्वल प्रूव करना है. ठीक है, तो बस इसमें गिवन और टू प्रूव चेंज होगा और इसका आंसर आपको यहां से मिल जाएगा. अगेन वी विल मेक दीज टू ट्रायंगल congruent in the same way, and here we will write angle MEO is equal to angle NEO by CPCT, and this will be the answer of question number 3. गिवन और टू फाइंड आप अपनी तरफ से लिख लेना, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन में आपने सिंपल ये करना है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4. If a line intersect two concentric circles with center O at A, B, C and D, prove that AB equal to CD. See figure 10.25. So 10.25 फिगर में आपको ये पिक्चर दी हुई है कि दो कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल है, फर्स्ट वन देन सेकंड वन. ये दो कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल वो होते हैं जो एक ही सेंटर से दो सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं. द सेंटर इज O और यहाँ पर एक कोड है जो कि A, B, C, D, यहाँ पर इसको इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है और AB इक्वल टू CD. टू प्रूव AB इक्वल टू CD. सो गिवन आप अपने आप लिख लेना क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में. टू कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल विद सेंटर O a chord intersect at point A, B, C and D as shown in figure. तो प्रूफ में आ जाएगा AB इक्वल टू CD। यहाँ पर हम एक छोटी सी कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे। कंस्ट्रक्शन ड्रॉ OM perpendicular to AD, that is OM perpendicular to BC also. OM प्रूफ। तो यहां पर हमने बेसिक पॉइंट यूज करना है। Since perpendicular from the center bisect the chord, therefore M is the midpoint of AD as well as M is the midpoint of BC. Since perpendicular from center bisect the chord, therefore M midpoint of AD as well as midpoint of BC. It implies AM equal to MD, BM equal to CM. Therefore, AM minus BM equal to MD minus CM. So after subtraction you will see in the picture AB equal to CD will be there, hence proved. Now next question number 5 and 6, these are important questions of this exercise. Question number 5, three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma, between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So there is a circular part circle and the center is O. Here is the position of Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. Reshma, Salma, Mandeep. So this is six meter, this is also 6 meter and the radius is 5 meter. 6, 6, 5, 5. Because this is the radius of the same circle. We need to find out the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. ये distance मुझे निकालना है, RM. So given in figure, radius of circle with center O is 5 meter. It implies OR equal to OS equal to OM equal to 5 meter. RSM are the positions of Reshma, Salma, Mandeep. RS equal to SM equal to 6 meter. To to find distance RM. So this is what given in the question. So OS and RM, they are meeting to each other. Suppose this is the point P. They are meeting to point. So first of all, in this question, we will make these two triangles RSO, MSO congruent, so that we can say that this is this angle equal to this angle. So solution: in triangle OSR and triangle OSM, OS equal to OS common, SR equal to SM 6 meter each, RO equal to MO 5 meter each. So triangles are congruent, therefore triangle OSR congruent to triangle OSM by SSS congruency. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CPCT. After that, now this SRM is an isosceles triangle. SRM is an isosceles triangle. So we will apply one property of isosceles triangle, that the bisector of vertical angle is perpendicular bisector of the base. So this will be 90 degree as well as this part will be equal to this part. This we will use, this we will say using the property of isosceles triangle. So what we will write here? Because RS equal to SM equal to 6 meter, therefore RS SRM is an isosceles triangle, and in isosceles triangle bisector of vertical angle is perpendicular bisector of base. तो एक ही प्रॉपर्टी से हमने ये बात प्रूव कर दी, एंगल RPS is equal to 90 degree. It implies RP perpendicular to S. Number 1. Number 2, RP equal to MP. It implies RM equal to 2 RP. अगर हम ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ नहीं करते तो मुझे ये दो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट करनी पड़ेंगी। फिर उसके बाद मैं कहूँगा कि आर पी इक्वल टू पी एम, यहाँ पर एंगल 3 लूँगा, ये 1 और 2 लिया था, 3 और 4 इक्वल कहूँगा, फिर मैं कहूँगा एंगल 3 + 4 इक्वल टू 180, फिर एंगल 3 + 3 इक्वल टू 180, एंगल 3 90। तो मुझे काफ़ी कुछ करना पड़ेगा। तो उस सारी चीज़ से बचने के लिए हमने प्रॉपर्टी को यूज़ किया और फटाफट 2 रिजल्ट ले लिए। अब अब करना क्या है, इसके बाद हम इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया हीरोन फॉर्मूला से निकाल सकते हैं। ये साइड भी मालूम है 5, ये साइड भी मालूम है 5, ये साइड भी मालूम है 6। फिर वही एरिया मैं किसके इक्वल लिख दूंगा, 1/2 इंटू बेस लूंगा 5 और हाइट ले लूंगा आरपी, क्यों मैं 90 प्रूव कर चुका हूं। तो वहां से हाइट निकल आएगी, आरपी का डबल कर देंगे, आरएम निकल आएगा। बस इतना काम करना है। नाउ इन ट्रायंगल ROS, फर्स्ट साइड इज इक्वल टू 5, फर्स्ट साइड इज इक्वल टू A इक्वल टू 5, सेकेंड साइड इक्वल टू B इक्वल टू 5, थर्ड साइड C इक्वल टू 6, S इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C अपॉन 2, ये आ जाएगा 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 6 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 8। एरिया ऑफ ROS इज इक्वल टू अंडर द रूट S इंटू S माइनस A इंटू S माइनस B इंटू S माइनस C, अंडर द रूट 8 इंटू 8 माइनस 5 इंटू 8 माइनस 5 इंटू 8 माइनस 6। So this will be 8 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 2, तो एक 4 3 या 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ये एरिया आ जाएगा ट्रायंगल का। आल्सो एरिया ऑफ ROS इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, और एरिया आ गया 12, 1/2 इंटू बेस में ले रहा हूँ 5 इंटू हाइट मेरी आ रही है RP, तो ये 2 ऊपर आ जाएगा 5 नीचे। सो 12 इंटू 2 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू RP, 24 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू RP, तो 5 4 जा 4.8 RP। It implies RM which is equal to 2 into RP will be equal to 2 into 4.8 will be 9.6 centimeter. So this is all about the question number up to question number 5 of exercise 10.4. Next question we will include in the new video. Till then, have a nice day.